myself Niyati Chauhan, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology, Department of Instrumentation and Control. Our subject is Industrial Data Communication and DCS. Chapter 3, Software Configuration. So in today's session I will start chapter 3. So let's start. Software configuration. So what is configuration? Okay. Programming instruction is called configuring. So there are two phases to configuration. First, operating configuration, right? And second, controller function configuration. The operating system must be configured to define the composition of group and overview, to define trending trios, to assign highway station priorities, to establish message table and so on. Okay. So here you can see, right, we have configured our devices with field devices connected with PID. Okay, then PID to data we send to the engineering station. So in this chapter we are configuring software, one device to another device. Second, controller function configuring. The individual control function must be programmed to accomplish the control strategy for which the system is to be used. So in software configuration, we know that first operating system configuring and second controller function configuring. So first, operating system configuring. In detail, we are see about operating system configuration. If the system does not have data highway, the operating system programming will be completed by the supplier. Highway systems are configured from operator station, sometimes using a special keyboard. So in operating system configuring, if the system does not have data highway, the operating system programming will be operated by the supplier. And second point, say that highway systems are configured from the operator station, sometimes using special keyboard. So here told about means we are not using data highway in our system, right? Thereafter we can operate our process and we can use special keyboard for operating our system. For configuration, files are set up for the various categories of information, and a master program open and close the file, use information as it is required. Okay, so master file through we can close and open our file. Configuring is usually done offline. That is, the control system operates autonomously and displays are not updated. And the receipt is saved on a disk from which it can be loaded into operating system and controller file databases. So here configuring is usually done offline. Okay, because the control system operates autonomously and displays are not updated and the receipt is saved on disk from which it can be loaded into the operating system and the controller file databases. The information configured for a typical system is listed in table. Okay, so here see in table how to configure in operating system, right? Highway systems are configured from operator station, sometimes using special keyboard. Then distributed control function entered by configurations. So first you have to know about highway definition, define highway priority of station, define overview scale, define points to be recorded, okay, then make a table of unit measure, make a table of message, define tag name and service information, then assign points to group display and group display to overview display. Then define the title of group display and overview display. So here second is controller function configuration. In controller function configuration, one of the features that make distributed control system so powerful is their algorithm library, right? So in control function configuration, we are using algorithms which is already prepared and can be used just by calling for it, right? So in controller function configuration, we are use algorithms, and we know about algorithms very well, right? When it comes to implementing some of the more advanced control strategies, it makes all the difference if the algorithm library include, say, dynamic compensation lead lag block for feed forward external feedback, for anti-wind up self-tuning, etc. Okay. So here we are using algorithm libraries, right? So in algorithm library we are using dynamic compensation lead lag block for feed forward, external feedback for anti-wind up, and for self-tuning, right? So here the more demanding algorithms for analog input, statistical process control, fuzzy logic and model based optimization. Configuration of the controller function make use of subroutines, that is algorithms. One of two different methods of configuration is used, okay? So in controller function configuration, right, we are use different process, okay, and then after we make algorithms. So here there are two types. First, basic algorithm, and second, highly structured algorithms, okay. And we know that in controller function configuration we use algorithms, so we have a divided, right? We can use basic algorithm for simple instruction, and we can use highly structured algorithm for standard applications. First, basic algorithm. So in basic algorithm, in this method, the function is built up from a number of basic algorithms. For example, input module, alarm limit, error detection, the sequencing them in much the same way that the step of a programmable pocket calculator are sequenced. Okay. So here you can see one example of algorithm, basic algorithm is shown your screen, right? So here you can see level transmitter to data sent to the level controller, right? Then after FC also send data, okay? Then comparator compare data, and then after send to the valve, okay? So this is basic algorithm, and generally we are using algorithm in controller function configuration. Next is highly structured algorithm. In highly structured algorithm, in this method, each time slot will utilize one highly structured algorithm with many smaller subroutine already included. So next, the first type is somewhat analogous to the SAMA instrumentation symbology, right? So here in first type, that is basic algorithm. In basic algorithm, we are using standard symbol, right? And we separate set point, error signal, limit functions, okay? Then in second that means highly structured algorithm. The second is similar to ISA symbology, in which a circle encompasses the entire control function. So second, that means highly structured algorithm you can see in diagram, right? So here we have used two PIDs. So in first PID we have a given level signal and PID measure low set point value. In second PID, differential pressure signal sent to the PID, right? And here we are measuring low set point value. Both signal sent to the comparator, right? This PID sent to the signal comparator and second PID sent to the signal comparator. Comparator to signal sent to the input, right? And input through signal sent to the control bar. Okay. In highly structured, first we have discussed basic algorithm, right? So in basic algorithm, which is built up of many subroutines and is very flexible. In second, that is highly structured algorithm, more highly structured type and simplifies configuration. Thank you for watching video. If you have any query, then you can ask me. In today's session, I have discussed about some basic idea of software configuration, right? And software configuration, there are in two phases. First, operating system configuration and second, controller function configuration. In controller function, we are using algorithms and first we use basic algorithm and second we can use highly structured algorithm.